Now before I'm going to get any VLAN information though, I'm going to have to change my VTP domain information to match that of my VTP server. What you'll notice if I do a show VLAN is that I still have only my default VLAN. If I do a show VTP stat, you'll notice that currently I'm a transparent switch operating in the null VTP domain. I've got to change that to be able to get any information from the other switch. So what I will do is I'll now enter the VLAN database. Before I change myself to client, I need to change the VTP domain to ICND, and then I need to exit. One of the things about exiting in between is that if I do not exit, it will not apply a change if I am a VTP client. So if I would have done both steps at the same time, there would have been no change applied. I must enter the VLAN database a second time now on the switch, and now change my mode to VTP client. Now that I'm a client, when I exit, you will notice in client state, no apply attempted. So it simply exits. If I do execute the VTP stat command, you will actually notice that I am now a client in the ICND domain. Notice how my statistics have changed. I now have 7 VLANs instead of 5. And instead of the configuration revision number of 0, I have a configuration revision of 1, indicating that I do have a successful communication over VTP with the switch A. Let's go ahead and do a show VLAN and see what happens. And there are my 2 VLANs that I created on the switch A, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20, have now been sent to the switch. One of the things that you will notice though is that I do not have any port assignments yet to either one of these VLANs. You can see this blank list here indicating that no ports are yet assigned. The only step that we have left is to assign a port.